everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Omi TV app on your iOS or Android device. As you can see, I already have it installed on my phone. The app is working flawlessly, and the method is quick and straightforward. So if you're ready to get Omi TV, stick around till the end of this video. I'll explain every step in detail. Let's jump right in. Before we begin the installation, there are two essential settings iOS users need to adjust. Android users can skip ahead to the installation part. Go to your device's settings, navigate to battery, and ensure low power mode is turned off. Keeping this mode on can impact the app's performance, so it's important to disable it. Next, head back to Settings, select General, and go to Background App Refresh. Make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can update and function smoothly in the background. Once you've made these changes, you're ready to proceed. Now, let's move on to the installation process. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted site for modded apps. Use the search bar to look up Omi TV, then select it from the search results. You'll see a detailed page with information like download stats and user reviews. Tap the Download Now button to start the download and installation process. This part is quick, and once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message. If the installation doesn't complete immediately, you might need to download some additional files for verification. Don't worry, the website provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you through it. After all the files are downloaded, the app will be installed and ready to use, just like mine. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install Omi TV. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If this tutorial was helpful and the app is working well for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more free tutorials like this. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, leave a comment below and I'll gladly help you out. See you in the next video. Bye for now.